The solar system is the planetary system of the sun, which the sun is the center, while the planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, meteoroids, and small solar system bodies orbit around the sun. Here, please select from the topic background information, history, discovery, and methodology. Physical background information. The sun is the largest object in the solar system. The mass of the sun is 99% of the total mass of the solar system, while the rest 1% includes the other planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, as well as dust, meteorites, and ice, which all orbit around the sun. Because of the great size of the sun, it can create the enormously gravitation for the planets to orbit around it. The sun is a star that has its own light, as most of the composition is hydrogen. At the core of the sun is a very high temperature and pressure that melts the hydrogen to be helium. That process with the sun releases a tremendous amount of energy as a chain reaction, or so-called fusion nuclear reaction. The thermal energy and light from the sun are the things that support the life on our Earth. The sun's physical information. The sun is the start, the center of the solar system. The diameter of the sun is 1.4 million kilometers, or 109 times of the diameter of the Earth. The distance from the sun to the Earth is 149,600,000 kilometers, or 1 astronomical unit. The mass of the sun is 333,000 times the mass of the Earth, but the density of the sun is only 0.25 times of the Earth. Because relationship, the diameter of the sun is 1.4 million kilometers, or 109 times of the diameter of the Earth. If we compare the size of the Earth to the sun, the Earth is approximately 1% of the size of the sun. The distance between the Earth and the sun is Please select from the topic background information. History relationship. The Earth. When studying the size of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the moon of the Earth from the graphic, the planets represent in relative portions of the actual weight. It can be seen that the Earth is the largest rocky planet. Therefore, it has the proper gravity and the atmosphere of the Earth, trapping heat from the sun, which makes the Earth have the proper temperature as well as the water. Please select from the topic background information. Background information. Venus is the second planet from the sun, with the orbit that is almost circular in the inner circle. Venus has no natural satellites or moons. Venus is slightly smaller than the Earth. Then it is sometimes called as the Earth's sister or twin planet. Venus rotates